Hello guys, hope you all are doing good. Just by taking the walk on my terrace, I just realized an important experience of mine. So I thought maybe you also are undergoing the same kind of thing, right? Exam preparation at max 30 days or more. So many kind of thoughts emerging in your mind, especially regarding pass, fail, shall I take this attempt, shall I skip the attempt? It might come to you because we all expected the exam date to be a bit later, but with after the announcement has come, these thoughts might have come to you. Time is very less, only 30 days. I didn't do this. Many kind of thoughts, thinking regarding you taking another attempt, or taking on one group if you applied for both the groups, or to do something which you want to make yourself feel comfortable, right? So in this regard, I want to share with you two of my one experience and one advice. Okay, you can say one tip, right? But before that, first I want you all to understand that the time which we are now dealing is not the regular examination preparation where we used to, at the end of the exam, end of 1 month of exam preparation, we used to think and take a call for one group or both groups. It is a time where one day or another we hear some of our close people dying here in the hospitals or at the home with the COVID thing, and it's very disturbing for us. It's a situation where we can't even handle it, right? Even we become too emotional also when we can't share that, and something which we can't express it, and we can't even take that as a we of course it's a fact which affects the preparation, but we can't make it as a point out factor. Apart from those whose close relatives has passed off, other people must have to concentrate. It's like a situation where you are fighting with this thing and still you need to be balanced. Okay, so let me come back to the point. The thoughts in your mind regarding the pass, fail, or preparation not sufficient, the portion is not completed, or shall I take one more attempt, shall I go to the November attempt, leave this attempt because 30 days are not sufficient for me, many thoughts, right? The first thing I want you all to focus is that focus on the completed portion. And in case if there is any portion which you have not touched it till now, okay, it's okay to leave it. But you have at least touched it, or you know the face of the chapter, just go through it. You still have time. You still have time. Time is I feel it is like a substance which, if you feel it is there, it is there. If you feel it is not there, it is not there. So time is a such kind of element in the hand which depends upon our perspective. So if any chapter which you have started, complete it. If you have not, then don't touch it. But which you have done completely, revise it. I'll share one experience of mine in my IPCC. So in my CA IPCC, in the attempt, I think it was November 14, I guess, I'm not recollecting it. Yeah, November 13, sorry, November 13. So in that there came a question on insurance, okay, and my goodness, it was that sum which I didn't practice, but still I remembered the steps because I know the steps. I have gone through chapter at least once. I was aware that there is a step by step marking. I clearly written till where I know, and I was happy that I have gone through chapter even though I know half of it. And when the results came, I got 65 in accounts. So it shows that the thing, if you know, if you have seen the chapter at least once, revise it once, you need not have good grasp on it, but at least your mind will recollect when you go in the examination hall. If you didn't see the chapter at least once, no, don't touch it. But if you have seen it completely or half, complete to full and revise it. That is first thing. Second, the thought regarding your thoughts on postponement. Thoughts, the thoughts regarding taking one more attempt, or going to the November thing, or to cut down the groups, any kind of thoughts come, just give a thought to it, but not to extent where you try to skip it off. Do an entire revision, go to the exam hall, write it. Suppose in case you have given two groups, you have applied for two groups, but now you're scared of writing two, you want to write one. Prepare one completely, but go for even the second group. Go and sit in the exam hall. Unless until you are so not at all knowing chapters, you can leave it. But if you have an idea, go and write it. It's not bad idea to at least see the question paper to know where you need to focus again, right? And the best exercise, what I'm trying to suggest you is that in this kind of, when you get a thought in this 30 days, do this exercise. When your thought comes, close your book for a while, sit there, okay, take a deep breath, Then count in your mind for 5, slowly release it for 5. Okay, like that. Take in 5 seconds, leave for 5 seconds for at least 5 times. See how much relaxed you will feel, and then again start your study. So balancing yourself, balancing your mind, balancing your thoughts, then you will get a part to clear the exam. So this is what I recollected while having a stroll on my terrace. So I hope it has helped you, my friends. So keep on studying, keep on working hard, push yourself, and all the best.